Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys doing very well. So in today's video I'm going to show you a makeup kit for beginners. So this is my makeup kit. So I'm going to use all these products in this makeup kit for this video. So it can be considered as a traveling kit or a makeup kit for beginners. And most importantly, all these products are so affordable and all these are drugstore products. So if you are looking for a cheap and best quality products and you are confusing what products you should buy or not, so I think this video would be helpful for you. For today's video I'm so excited. So without any further delay, let's jump in the video. Let's start with moisturizer. I'm using Garnier Wrinkle Anti-Aging Moisturizer. I really love this moisturizer, and you should always make sure that you are properly moisturize your skin. You can see it's about to finish because I'm using this on daily basis, but you can choose whatever moisturizer you feel like it suits you or best for your skin, but it has to be very good moisturizer because you can't get the perfect base without applying good moisturizer. For foundation, I have two options: Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation and L'Oreal Infallible Matte Foundation. But I choose Maybelline Fit Me over L'Oreal one for beginner makeup kit because it gives natural and skin-like finish, and also it has a 40 shades, so you can choose your shades if you are close to my skin tone or color. I'm in shade 228 Soft Tan. I also used 230 Natural Buff, so you can go with these two shades if you are close to my skin color. Sorry, I forgot to mention about the beauty sponge. Trust me, I can't do my makeup without this. If you really want flawless base, you have to carry this with you. It just locks your foundation into your skin and gives you skin like base. Trust me, your makeup kit incomplete without it. So moving further, I have two concealer in my makeup kit. First is LA Girl Pro Concealer. I really love this concealer. It just beautifully conceal my dark circles and dark spots on my face, and I really enjoying this concealer. You guys see me of using this concealer in at least every video. So if you are looking for best and good quality concealer, you should buy this concealer. Second, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I really love this concealer as well. I'm using this concealer for brightening up. It has really nice quality and also it's perfectly blend. So I really love this concealer. If you don't wanna carry two concealer, you can go with this concealer. For powder, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Finishing Powder. Guys, powder is very important to make your makeup long staying, because if you don't set your base, it will move eventually. So set your foundation with powder is important step, and I'm using this powder. It just perfectly set my foundation and also gives more coverage, which is superb. You guys see me of using this powder in every video as well because I really love this powder. For brows, I'm using Maybelline brow pencil. As you guys see, I have really nice and thick eyebrows, so I don't need that much brow pencil. it's just optional, you can skip this product. Then I'm using Master Contour Palette by Maybelline. It has a contour, blush and highlighter. So you don't need to carry individual blush, contour and highlighter. And also it's easy to carry. It's not that much bulky. And I'm using this brush for contour. It's not a fluffy brush, but it's more in precise side. So it's perfect for contour. It's also very good quality product. I really love this palette, so I think this is perfect for beginners and also easy to carry with yourself. I'm using this brush for applying a blush. It's fluffy brush, so it's easy to apply blush on your cheeks. You can buy only one brush for contour, blush or highlighter. You don't need to buy or carry too many brush for every single application like contour, blush or highlighter. You can buy only one brush for all. You can also use your fingers to apply highlighter, shimmering eyeshadows or foundation. You don't need to buy too many brushes for every single application. For eyeshadow, I am taking this palette, this little palette. I choose this palette because it has many shades, and by using this I can create many looks as well. So make sure that you buying or carrying a little palette with different shades. You can experiment with many looks, so it's also easy to carry and it doesn't use much space in your bag. For eyeliner, I'm using NYKAA eyeliner in blue shade. I really love this eyeliner. NYKAA has really beautiful eyeliners. So if you want to buy, you can order online from NYKAA. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I really love this mascara. It is waterproof mascara and it has really good quality. It just instantly give volumes to your lashes. So if you are looking for a good quality mascara in affordable range, you can buy this mascara. For lipstick, I'm going with two lipstick, one from MAC and one from NYKAA. These both shades are really cool, warm shades. It's not like that bright red pink colors. These two shades can go with any type of look. So I think these two shades best for makeup beginners kit. So that's the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and also subscribe my channel. And if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section down below. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel before you leave, and see you in my next video.